In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from MYOB to Xero. We'll be using a tool called Data Switcher, which is designed specifically to move your accounting data from one system to another as smoothly as possible. First, open your web browser and search for Data Switcher. In the search results, look for the official Data Switcher website and click on it. This will take you to their homepage, where you can start the migration process. On the homepage, look for the button that says Get Started and click on it. This takes you into their migration workflow. From here, you'll usually be directed to a contact or migration request page. On that page, find and click on Migration Request. This is where you tell Data Switcher exactly what you want to convert. Next, you'll see an option that says I want to convert from. This is where you select your current accounting system. Click on that field, and from the list of available products, choose MYOB. Make sure you select the correct MYOB product that matches what you're actually using if multiple options are shown. After that, move on to the next field, which says I want to convert to. Click on that and choose Xero from the list. This tells Data Switcher that you're moving from MYOB into Xero, so it can prepare the right type of conversion. Once you've chosen MYOB as the source and Xero as the destination, click on the Next button to continue. You'll then be asked to type in some initial information. This could include basic business details such as your company name, your region, and possibly some information about your MYOB file, like the financial year range or file type. Enter these details carefully, as they help ensure your data is mapped correctly. Click Next again to move forward. You'll now see a more detailed form where you need to fill in your contact information and any additional details required for the migration. This might include how many years of history you want to transfer, and any special notes about your setup. Take your time and review what you enter, especially email addresses and any reference numbers. When everything is complete, click on Submit. After submitting, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These will guide you through any remaining steps, such as uploading your MYOB file, granting access to your Xero organization, and confirming timelines. Keep an eye on your email as well, as Data Switcher may send updates or instructions there while your data is being converted.